Jada, and today we are gonna get into a beautiful, affordable lace front wig. What lace front wig are you talking about? Well, I'm talking about an Amazon vendor called ISEEHAIR. Came through with an affordable curly lace front wig. Okay, this wig I'm about to show you is bomb. This wig I watched so many videos on. I watched a lot of videos on. I always watch a lot of videos before I purchase any hair, so you won't ever catch me slipping because people really be trying to finesse you out here. If you are a beginner watching my video, please, don't look at my nails. Please watch multiple videos on the hair. Watch tons of videos on the same hair from different people because everybody has different opinions and some people are sponsored and some people are not, you know. So I will be the first, if you're watching for the first time a wig video, I will be the first to tell you that I'm real. Like, I'm gonna be 100% real with you. Let's get into this video, shall we? This is the ISEEHAIR box that they delivered in. This is actually a curly lace front wig, deep water wave Brazilian hair. They came in this little box, very cute. When I pulled out the box, it came with the hair in this cute bag. This is 22 inches. Okay, 22 inches stretched length. And in the box, they gave us a wig cap. A wig cap. First of all, if you put on wigs, if you are a wig expert and you wear wigs frequently every day, you know this is a blessing, okay? Blessing, okay? Because, you know, if you don't got a wig cap, I really do not suggest you wear the wig because it's not going to look right. You're going to look like you have Smurfs living inside your wig and you got this whole extra big hair. It's just get the wig cap, braid your hair down. Okay. So yeah, it comes with 2 wig caps in the box. Also, they came with like a little flyer about how to, you know, give them a review and to keep buying from them. Very cute. So let's open this wig up and let's see what we got in here. Opening the bag. Oh, do y'all see that bounce? Already just bounce right out the bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at those curls. Like, that's water wave for you. That's water wave, honey. 22 water wave, okay? This is bomb. Oh, this is soft. So I'm taking off the little net it comes with. Oh my God. And this is 150 density. If you want more density, you can, but I'm gonna tell you from experience, okay? This is not my first wig. You want to get, if you are purchasing curly hair, I suggest you get the lowest density because the hair is going to expand and you know you don't want to be looking like, unless you like that a big look. If you want to look flat, sleek, you know, whatever, I suggest getting the lowest density they have. So the hair is soft right off the bat. I'm like pulling it, minimum shed, like a few strands came out. It's 3 strands, okay? 3 strands came out. The hair is beautiful. I have to take off this. Y'all, like, I can't, like, it's so soft and it's so nice. Like, I can't even wait to put this on. Like, I'm gonna have another video of me showing beginners, you know, basically how I do my wigs and how I make it look real. It does come pre-plucked. So see that hairline, it does come pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached, so you will have to do that. You don't have to. If you want to look real, you can do that, and I do that. So if you want to look real and you want to look super nice, I suggest you bleach the knots. So unless you want to use makeup, you can, but I make my life easier and I don't want to cake the lace up with makeup, because it will eventually, when you take it on and off, it will cake up by itself. So then after that bleach, the inside of the cap is well constructed. It's actually, it's not as thick, and that's what I like, because if it is thick, it's not, looks like a helmet. You don't want it to look like a helmet. You want to mold into your head. So the cap construction is really good. It comes with 4 combs, one in the back, 2 sides, and the front right here, right before the lace. I do take these off when I do the hair because it's not really useful to me. I glue it down good, and I don't feel like this is good for your hair, especially, you know, it could mess up your neck, like the hair in the back. It's painful. Okay, my experience. Okay, my experience. So I do take out the combs in the process of it, but this hair is just bomb. Like, it took 2 days. 2 days. Amazon Prime, 2 days to get this. College students, I don't know if it's just my school, but we get Amazon 6 months for free. Okay. So we can just automatically get down to it and get that Amazon Prime. Like, it's period. Yeah, this hair is really nice, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to put this beautiful thing on. It is 13 by 4 parting space, so you have a lot of space in the hair to part the hair. Let's see, but the parting space goes all the way back here. Okay, the wig is bomb. That's all I gotta say, and I think that this is a good purchase. It's affordable. It is under $200, and if you know how much wigs are, okay, that is rare. Okay, if you want to get a nice one, that is rare. Usual wigs are $500 and more. Thank you guys for watching my video on this beautiful hair. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing you how to assemble, okay, and find your next boyfriend, because this wig right here, okay, is fire. It's beautiful. I already see it. Oh, I already see it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is my first video. Tell me how I did in the comments. Tell me what I should do next time. Tell me what any videos you guys want to recommend me do. I will do them. I will be coming back and forth all the time with a lot of wigs, because I love wigs. I always buy wigs. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next video.